to today's vlog. Today on the agenda, we are going to church. We just got dressed for church. So me and my little one will be going to church today. Now, we have kind of been church hopping because I'm trying to find the church home I want to be a part of. Like, I'm just trying to find my place. So we'll be going to church. We'll be doing some Sunday reset. We will also be working hard for Joe's craft journey today. So you'll see a lot of lifestyle stuff happen today. So today is a vlog. This is not just a craft video where I will be showing you guys how I make something, which I do in most of my other videos. Today, we are vlogging. So first thing first, we're going to church. Praise the Lord. You know what I'm saying. So let's get ready to go. No more breakfast?
Huh?
No more breakfast? I'll just take, dang, you want nuggets and fries?
Yeah, I could take that.
Can I just have an order of 6-piece nugget and some fries?
We have French toast?
I'll take an order of French toast sticks, though.
Okay, you want to do 4 or 6?
I'll do 4.
A 4-piece?
Yes.
Okay. You want to do the number 3 combo with the 7-piece?
Yeah. Wait, no.
You
Yeah.
get it with a drink?
Yeah, I'll take it with a drink.
Okay.
Which
what
one?
kind of sauce would you like?
A lemonade?
Or natural?
I don't know.
You want the baked craft lemonade?
Oh, give me a strawberry. Sorry.
Strawberry? Okay.
Yeah.
And barbecue sauce for the nuggets, or what kind of sauce?
Barbecue is fine.
Barbecue. Okay.
That'll be all.
All right, huh? Anything
Sorry.
else? Oh, you said that was everything.
Yeah.
1447.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mom, got this. This is a holder for this.
Oh, I never thought about that. That's smart, though. All right, Liv, we literally got 5 minutes and we need to get inside the church. Can't have me missing, sir. Oh, I said I was gonna send your dad the online portion. This ain't bad.
I can't eat that fast because the fries is hot.
I don't want you to rush and eat and choke yourself.
Okay.
Or burn yourself. So church was really good today. My baby went to children's service. What's she back there doing? Yeah, she went to children's service today and she loves that church. It's children's service, so maybe this will be our church home. And we have family that go to this church, so maybe this will be our church home. I really like the service. I felt like I was able to follow along and really get the word. In the other church I was going to, I was having a difficult time like focusing and actually comprehending the word. So this church is right now top of my list. There is one more church that I want to try out that my coworker attend, so I'm gonna try that place out too, because I watched a couple of their services online and I was very impressed with that too. So we shall see, but for now we're headed to the meat market to get some meat for today, because of course I got meat in my freezer that I didn't take out. So let's go to the meat market and grab something right quick, and then we'll head home. If I could get in touch with my brother, I'll go pick up the drill so my husband could finish my closet area, because I need to put the rods up. But if my brother don't call me back, that'll be a project for another day. But let's go get our meats for now. So I've been home trying to figure out how I want to organize my closet now that my husband has hung the rods. I can put my stuff out now. So I just moved some stuff. I put my black boots up top, all the way at the top. Moved my pocketbooks onto that side. But I have a bunch of like sweatsuits and sets that I think I'm gonna put here. I don't necessarily know yet, so I'm kind of just winging it right now, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. But I've already seasoned dinner for tonight, so that's done. I'm literally just waiting like time, basically. So while he was in here setting up the rods, I was making or prepping dinner. And we're gonna have some pork chops, some mac and cheese. See, I don't want to make this too cluttered, so I don't necessarily know, because I got a lot of sweaters and cardigans. Maybe I should just put the cardigans and then the hoodies I can fold up and put down here. So all of like my work sweaters, stuff like that. The cardigans will be up there, and then my hoodies I could fold and put down here. And then the sets I could put all the way at the bottom. But then I got mad jean jackets. Do I want them to be folded or do I want them to be hung? I don't know. So I'm not going to bore you guys with me crazy chaotically trying to figure out what I'm doing with everything. So I see y'all when it's 3 o'clock now. I'm going to give this another 30 minutes or so before I actually go out there and move on to the next task, because I got a lot of stuff to do for my business. So I need to get a business plan completed. I have drafted it. It is like 11 pages long thus far, and I need to get my finances in order for this week's class. So that is on the agenda too. And I want to color code all of this, so it'll take some time, but I'll be back.
I wanna be my dream girl, doing everything I've never seen, girl, being everything I wanna be, girl. If I love.
So I feel like I've been getting somewhere in here with the closet situation. However, the rest of the room, which is my craft stuff, my office stuff, that still needs to be organized. But it's 3:34. I said I was gonna stop at 3:30 so I could, you know, mingle and chill a little bit with the fam. So I'm gonna clean up the rest of the clothes and stuff that's on the floor and clear off this table, and then I'm going out of this room. I'll be back later though. When I come back later, I'm gonna be doing more computer stuff, and I think I am gonna actually be making some stuff as well. So there will be a little craft situation occurring during today's video. It's 3:30 though. I need a break. I ate before I came back in here while my husband was putting his stuff up, while I was seasoning the food, or after I seasoned the food I ended up eating. So now it's time to move on to the next portion of my day. So I'm gonna go chill. I do have this new book. Where is it? I have this new book that my homegirl gave me. So this is going to be the read for I haven't read anything the month of November, so this is going to be the remainder of November. A good book. I'm trying not to watch so much TV at night anymore, because I'd be up extremely too late and I don't be getting nothing done. So I am going to, did I just put all of those? I am going to start that book tonight, so I'm excited about that. I'm gonna color code this stuff, but it ain't gonna happen today. It ain't gonna happen today, but let's go. the final part of my night, which is getting my business plan and budget set up. However, I thought I had the perfect little setup, but it's clearly too high, so I'm going to put all of this stuff back and then go probably grab like a kitchen chair or something so I can sit under the dryer while I get my work done. I am pooped, but I feel like I was so productive today. And with your girl going to church, I feel very good. I feel very motivated. So yeah, I don't know if these braids are going to stay in my hair tomorrow or if I'm going to take them out. Part of me loved them, but I feel like because I originally planned to just put them in so my hair could dry overnight and, you know, get crimpy for tomorrow, I didn't really think about the way that I was parting them, but I also don't feel like my parts need to be neat because typically I don't have a retwist, so my hair is never neat. So it is what it is, but I'm thirsty. I might go grab me some more water too. So when you see me again, I will be over here working. I do plan to work. It's 7 o'clock right now, and I plan to be in here until 9 o'clock when it's time for my daughter to shut down all of her tablets and devices so we could vibe for a little bit, which hopefully we read for like 20 minutes and both of us pass out. That's the goal. But so I'm here until then. My husband's doing what he's doing. She's doing what she's doing. So we all have time. All right, so see you in a second. I am melting. I'm gonna take a break. So I'm melting. I don't think I'm gonna get to crafting tonight. I was doing a lot of paperwork, and to be honest, I think because I'm melting, I can't handle it no more. So I'm actually going to, it's pretty much dry, but you know, you gotta let the inside completely dry so my hair don't be stinking. But I'm tired, so I'm taking a break. Alrighty, it is time to close this vlog out. So I will see y'all in another vlog. But as of right now, I'm too hot, too tired to actually get up and craft. I'm gonna finish this paperwork and then go. My daughter wants me to play Roblox with her for like 20 minutes. So before electronics go away, I am going to do that. So I'll see you guys in my next video.